if you went long today, or if you even thought about going long today, me and you are going to have to fist fight. Let me tell you why. Because if you know my system, if you know my strategy, if you know my entry model that I teach and trade every single morning, you know that there was zero reason to ever think that longs would work out today. Let me explain. This is the journaling afterwards. This is how I made over $3,000 a day trading the same entry model that I teach every single morning. In this video, you're going to learn how to spot a fake out, which is really beneficial to your trading game, especially if you were trying to buy longs at the high of day breakout today. But you're also going to learn my entire inverse orb strategy. I trade the opening range breakout much differently than any other trader on these platforms. And again, like I said before, this is how I journal my trades. What you're seeing on your screen right now is what I go through on every single trade that I take and what I've been doing for years to continue to stay profitable. And as somebody who's been profitable for almost 5 years straight, I would say if it's working, don't try to fix it. Because right now, the way that I'm journaling, the way that you're seeing on the screen right now is the best way to journal for me. So as I go over my analysis, as I go over this entire trade step by step, make sure you're journaling as well. See what you could have done better. See what you could have changed in the trade to make your trade even better than it was before. And don't forget, if you enjoy these type of videos and you like when I deep dive into these analysis, make sure you leave a like on this video and feel free to comment any questions you have whatsoever. I took this trade that you're seeing here live inside of my VIP Discord this morning at New York Open. And the best part about it is I alert every entry, every exit here, sharing my screen in real time to all my VIP Discord members. If you want access, I'm live every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, link in the description below. Other than that, I'm going to stop yapping. Let's get into exactly how I took this trade today, my thought process behind it, and how I knew that the market makers are trying to fake you out in this trading day. Now, every single morning, I do the exact same thing. I mark my first 15-minute candle high and my first 15-minute candle low. This is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. And today I was trading NQ. You can do the same strategy on ES or NQ, but today NQ gave me the best setup. Now that we've marked both of our high and low, we need to go to a smaller time frame like the 1 minute. And at this point, we're going to sit back and be patient and wait for price to sweep either the high or the low of this opening range and see a breakout. Now, a couple minutes later, we see that NQ decides to break out of its 15-minute opening range. And most orb traders, like myself, will try to look for a long as soon as they see a breakout of that opening range high. But something that most traders are missing is they're not seeing what the wave tool is telling us. You can see all morning wave tool was showing puts ahead of calls, and we saw calls diving down to the downside. Calls went from 7 million in the positive all the way to negative 73 million into the negative, which to me, if whales are selling calls the entire morning, I'm not going to look for an upside position. It makes me believe that this move right here is going to be a fake out. So if you want to know how my entry model works, since our wave is bearish, since call flow is heading down and put flow is heading up, and call flow is actually below zero, I'm going to be looking for a short position. I want to take advantage of this fake out. So how are we going to do that? We're going to wait patiently. We're going to wait for price to get back into the opening range. So let's just wait here, see what happens. Next candle. There is the push back into the opening range. Once we can get a push back into the opening range, now that our wave is telling us that calls are losing in the market, this is telling me that we can take our inverse orb trading strategy. What is the inverse orb? Let's explain it. Inverse orb is whenever we break out to one direction, either the upside or the downside, and that direction that we broke out of is when we're assuming a fake out. So since wave is bearish and we now are retraced back into the opening range, I'm going to take a short position. Put my stop loss at the top of the high of day and my take profit at the low of the opening range. This is going to be a 2RR. So I'm risking one basically to make two. And if we press play here, we can see how it plays out. Okay, we hit our TP1 here, which is going to be our control point. What is our control point? Control point is going to be our 50% retracement of our opening range. That high and low we marked for the 15-minute high and low, it's just going to be the middle of that, which is our control point. So TP1 is hit. Let's continue the trade. All right, we hit our break-even point a few times. You have an option here. You could stop out here and re-enter if we get another sweep of the opening range high for lower, or you could stay in, trim some down here, and let your profits hold out. Let's see what happens next. Keep in mind, at this moment, a lot of traders are getting out of their positions. They're calling it a day. They're leaving the live stream. But in reality, our trade is not invalidated until we go push above this high of day. Let's press play and continue to see what happens next. TP1 just got hit again. If you wanted to re-enter off of the opening range high sweep, you could have done it as well. This is still all inverse orb. Same entry model applies. Now, as you can see, we go hit full TP there for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Cannot complain about that. Again, let's deep dive into this a little more. We saw the 15-minute opening range breakout happen here. The only reason we're not looking for longs off of this retest here is because our wave tool is telling us that calls are losing in the market. Calls are getting crushed the entire time. So I believe, as a trader of 7 years almost, I believe that when we see data telling us that the whales are selling, and I see us get back in the opening range like we do here, I'm going to be looking for sells. I'm going to be looking for a short position. I'm going to assume that since wave is bearish, I'm going to assume this is a fake out. That's exactly what we did. We entered the short position here at this circle. We hit our TP1 here. You could have even gotten out and re-entered once we got back down below the opening range here and here. 2 other wins you could have taken because they're A+. Wave is still bearish. We never swept that high of the day, so there's no invalidation, and we continued lower to our price target here, which ended the day putting us up over $3,000 in profit across all of our accounts. Here's a little P&L action here, $3,035.70 across all accounts, and I alerted every entry and exit to the VIP Discord as always. And again, the goal of this strategy is not only to, spread awareness, show you guys how to use the data, how to use the technicals, but to explain that it is a stupid simple strategy. There's not order blocks, fair value gaps, all these different ICT, smart money concept, different concepts that can confuse the average trader. My goal is to make this stupid simple for all of my students that are following me and watching me on a daily basis. And again, we could have taken a different strategy here. If we would have had a bullish wave, if our wave here would have been bullish, then we would have been looking for longs off of this level to see higher, too high a day from there. But since that wasn't the case, since we did have bearish flow, when we see us push back into the opening range like we did here, we're going to assume it's a fake out. And again, since you don't have access to these tools, and if you're watching this video, you probably are a little new to the whole wave situation, I have plenty of videos going over how to use the wave inside of my YouTube channel. And also, if you click the link in my description, I have the wave in there, which is Flowtopia, the website I use for all the data. If you go to the description, I also have my VIP Discord. And I also have what I just put in my description. Something new for you is a free trading starter kit. So if you're confused on how this works, you don't understand how the charts work or even how the wave works, I've created a free trading starter kit. It doesn't cost $1. Link in the description for access. You're going to get in there. There's hours long worth of videos. It's basically an entire free course teaching you exactly how I use my strategy on a daily basis. So again, if you want to access that, make sure you go to the description below. It's going to be in the description. And make sure you like this video. Let me know what you guys think about these trade breakdowns. I want to make more of these in the future and just deep dive into all of my strategies and what I'm thinking throughout the entire trade. Again, I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best family in the world. I love going live for y'all every single day, showing you guys all the trades that I'm taking and just, being able to have a good time inside the live streams, win or lose. If you have any questions whatsoever, you know what to do. Put them in the comments below. Like the video. Make sure you subscribe. And thank y'all so much for watching. Peace and love, family. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.